Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 14, Structures in C. In this episode, we learn how to group variables of different types into a single logical unit using structures. A structure is a user-defined data type in C that lets you group variables of different types together under one name. It helps organize related information, like student details or employee data. After defining a structure, you can declare variables of that structure type. Use the dot operator to access its members, such as student1.age equals 20. You can create an array of structures to store multiple records like several students or employees. Each element represents one structure variable. Structures can also be nested, meaning one structure contains another. This is used for hierarchical data such as employee and address. Access nested members using dot operators like emp, address, city. A structure can be passed to a function either by value or by pointer. This helps in organizing programs into reusable modules. This diagram shows how structures allow combining different data types together under one name and how they can be used or passed to functions. Here is an example showing how to define and use a structure in C. When you run this program, it prints the structure details for the student record. This example defines a structure named student, initializes it with data, and prints the roll number, name, and marks. The output of example 1, defining and using a structure is as follows. Roll 1, name, Ravi, marks, 85.50. This program uses an array of structures to store and print details of 3 students. The output of example 2, array of structures is as follows. Roll 1, marks, 80.50, roll 2, marks, 75.00, roll 3, marks, 90.50. This example demonstrates nested structures where an employee structure contains an address structure as a member. The output of example 3, nested structures is as follows. Name, Amit, city, Delhi, PIN, 110,001. This program passes a structure variable to a function and displays its data inside that function. The output of example 4, passing structure to function is as follows. Roll 111, name, Neha. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Define a structure, student, with roll number, name, and marks. Input details of 3 students and display them using a loop to print each student's fields. Exercise 2. Create a structure, book, with title, author, and price. Input details for 5 books and determine the most expensive one by comparing the price field. Exercise 3. Write a program using nested structures where employee contains address with city and PIN. Read and display each employee's details including the nested address fields. Exercise 4. Define a structure, car, with model name, year, and price. Use an array of 3 car structures. fill their data, and print the details for each car. Exercise 5. Write a program to pass a structure variable to a function and print the structure data. Inside the function, create a function that accepts the structure either by value or pointer and displays its members. Thank you for watching episode 14. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic C programming series.